A nuclear weapon, commonly known as a nuke or an atomic bomb, operates on the principle of nuclear fission or nuclear fusion, both of which release vast amounts of energy. Here's a simplified explanation of how each type works. Nuclear fission bomb. Fissionable material. The core of a nuclear fission bomb contains a fissionable material such as uranium-235 or plutonium-239. Critical mass. To initiate the explosion, a critical mass of fissionable material must be assembled. This is typically achieved by bringing together subcritical masses of the material using conventional explosives. Chain reaction. When the critical mass is reached, the fissionable material undergoes a chain reaction. Neutrons released by the splitting of atomic nuclei cause nearby nuclei to split as well, releasing more neutrons and initiating a self-sustaining chain reaction. Energy release. The chain reaction releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of heat, light, and radiation. This energy is the explosion of the nuclear bomb. Thermonuclear fusion bomb, also known as a hydrogen bomb. Fusion fuel. The core of a thermonuclear bomb contains isotopes of hydrogen, typically deuterium and tritium. Primary stage. The primary stage of a thermonuclear bomb is a fission bomb. It creates the high temperatures and pressures necessary for triggering nuclear fusion in the secondary stage. Secondary stage. The secondary stage contains fusion fuel surrounded by a casing of fissionable material. When the primary stage detonates, it compresses and heats the fusion fuel, initiating a fusion reaction. Fusion reaction. In the fusion reaction, hydrogen nuclei combine to form helium nuclei, releasing even more energy than fission. This process is the same as the one that powers the sun and other stars. Energy release. The fusion reaction releases an immense amount of energy, significantly greater than that of a fission bomb. Both types of nuclear weapons release energy in the form of an explosion, causing devastating destruction and widespread damage to life and property. They are among the most powerful weapons ever created and have the potential to cause catastrophic consequences if used in warfare. As such, their development, testing, and proliferation are tightly regulated by international agreements and treaties.